push back the cuticle. File or drill with a sand grit, just going a few times across the nail bed. And dust the excess dust off. We take the shine off to remove the natural oils from the nail for the dip powder to adhere. Applying tips. Make sure the nail tip fits perfectly to the natural nail. Once the glue is dry, you file and shape the nail depending on the style you are going for. It's important to file down evenly from the natural nail to the end of the nail tip. This is done so you won't have a ridge between them and to prevent an uneven dip application. It also helps the base to grip onto the tip. Apply the bond only to the nail bed on all 5 fingers. Apply a thin line of base on natural nail where it meets the tips, but do not go over the tip. Dip into the natural powder with a 45-degree angle and pull straight back out. Make sure not to push against the powder, and tap excess powder off. Afterwards, you must apply base to 3/4 of the nail and dip once again in the natural dip powder. This is done to create an even surface from the natural nail to the tip. Make sure to turn your jar upside down and then backwards slowly. This will help for the acrylic to break apart and it makes it easier to dip. You may do it in a rolling movement, but do not shake the jar. Apply base from the cuticle all the way to the free edge of the nail and then dip into your desired color. Then you apply base again. This coat is applied to the full nail and then dip into the color that you chose. We apply the second coat of color to ensure full coverage. You apply full base to the entire area and you dip into the clear. This protects your color from wearing away when filing or drilling. Now we apply the Seal Protect. This helps harden the powder. You repeat this same procedure with all 5 fingers. Afterwards, you file the nail to the shape you desire. And drill just to even out the surface. Be careful not to do excessive drilling. Then you buff to smooth the surface and wipe with alcohol using a lint-free cloth or have the client wash their hands. Apply the Seal Protect once again. This will help the top coat to dry and stick together. And then wipe the nail with a lint-free cloth so the Seal Protect can get into every nook and cranny of the nail. When applying the top coat, you must do it with thin, quick strokes. You repeat this same procedure with all 5 fingers and let it air dry for about 3 minutes. Go through all 5 fingers and then repeat this step one more time. Let them air dry and then apply the Nourish oil around the cuticle area and massage it. Recap. Drilling. File the nail tip evenly with the natural nail. Brush technique. Do it parallel to the nail, this way you don't dent the color. Dipping and tapping. Dip with a 45-degree angle and pull straight back out. Make sure not to push the nail against the powder. To tap the excess powder off, you must do it with the finger pointing straight down. Hold the finger with thumb and index finger and tap it with middle and ring finger. This way, the excess powder does not fall back onto the nail. Second, Seal Protect. Apply the Seal Protect after the client washes their hands. Top coat. Remember, thin, fast strokes. When the process is complete, you must make sure that all your essentials are closed correctly. You can also place the brushes you have used for the base and top coat into the brush shaper to dissolve any excess powder or adhesive.